Hey guys, welcome back. So, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can change invite language in your Calendly uh, meetings. So, first of all, what you need to do is go to the scheduling, and here you will see meetings that you have. Click on the meetings which you would like. Which one would you like to choose the language? So I have here one. I will click here this one, three dots, meeting settings, and then you will see down here change invite language, and you can choose English, French, Spanish, German, Dutch, Brazilian, Portuguese, Italian, and Ukraine, uh, and choose whatever you want. Click yes, and now the language is updated. Now, once a new language has been selected, Calendly will localize the invites, view, and notification moving forward. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.